How you get faster your phone easy and quickly, my dears. The first thing you need to do is open your settings options. After that, you need to scroll down in your settings options until you find this last settings, about phone. After that, you need to tap right here in about phone and it will show these main about phone screens. You just need to scroll down until you find software information. Tap right here in software information and you need to scroll down until you find the build number. You will tap many times in build number and it will show this information. You're 3 taps away from begin to being a developer. You need to put your PIN and after that developer mode will be on. Tap right here in back again, and in the same main screen settings you need to scroll down until the last options at this bottom. It will show these new options, developer options. Tap right here in developer options. You need to scroll down until you find draw. Scroll down, keep scrolling down until you find drawing, and it will show these informations. Window animation scale. Tap right here and tap in animation off. Transition animation scales, tap right here and tap in animation off. Animator duration scale, tap right here and tap in animator duration scale off. After that, your phone will get fast. Don't forget, my dears, subscribe at this channel, leave a comment down here, and thank you. Until the next video, stay with God and see ya.